So you were lucky enough to find out about a job. Maybe it was through networking, or maybe you found it on the internet. So what's next? Well, step one is applying for the job. And there can be several documents that you need to have created or fill out. The first document may be a job application. Many of you, for part-time work, have completed a job application. It is important to fill out a job application for a part-time job right there while you're at the business. The number one reason people don't get the job is because they take the job application home with them and it takes them too long to return it. And guess what? They hired someone else. Some of your professional jobs will also require a job application. This is the first step in screening who they may want to interview. Another document you need to create is called a resume. You will learn more about a resume coming up. And also a cover letter. Many of your professional jobs, or what we call your full-time jobs, will want a resume and a cover letter. We will create one in class this week. But what I want you to remember mostly about a job application is, number one, it is the most important screening document used by many companies. And number two, that when you are filling one out for a part-time job, fill it out right there at the place of employment. Make sure you know your reference names and phone numbers, your employer's information, your previous employer's information, because those are common things that people cannot remember, and therefore they take the job application home with them. So in the next several activities, we are going to work through and learn a little bit more about applying for a job.